Hi everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Pill. Today, we're going on a linguistic journey around the world to learn how to greet people in 15 different languages. This video will teach you how to say hello like a local. Number 1, Russian.
Здравствуйте.
Number 2, Thai.
สวัสดี
Number 3, Korean.
안녕하세요.
Number 4, Japanese.
こんにちは
Number 5, Chinese.
には
Number 6, Tagalog.
Kumusta?
Number 7, Spanish.
Hola.
Number 8, German.
Hallo.
Number 9, Italian.
Ciao.
Number 10, French.
Bonjour.
Number 11, Arabic.
السلام عليكم.
Number 12, Hindi.
Namaste.
Number 13, Sinhala.
ආයුබෝවන්.
Number 14, Tamil.
වණකම්.
Number 15, Bengali.
নমস্কার.
Thank you for watching.